Alright, I need you to finish this car. ASAP. Hey, what's up guys? This is Butch from Imperial Automobili. Welcome to Imperial TV. Unfortunately, I have bad news to deliver. Let me show you. So, last night, of course, it's about that night lifestyle that I had. I went to visit to celebrate one of my friends' 1-year anniversary at Poor Behavior. After that, we went to Belvedere, and then after that, we went to Bison, and from Bison, we went to River Oaks, the Gauchos. And then all of a sudden, as soon as I came out, I saw something that's very, very sad, very unfortunate, I guess. Apparently, some hater probably came over, decided that he wants to break into the vehicle and steal something out of the car. I don't know what they stole, to be honest. I don't keep anything valuable in the vehicle, period, besides my sunglasses, but he didn't even touch my sunglasses. So they broke the glass. The center console was open, the glove compartment was open, and that's it. Did they damage a lot? Yes. They damaged a lot. The door trim panel, the paint everywhere, getting onto the rest of the body of the vehicle. Thank God I have ceramic coating, so it's kind of like buffable here and there, but still, probably the front door I might have to repaint it for sure. Thank God I own a body shop and a paint shop, and this is just gravy for me, just like a bag of chips. Very easy, very simple to fix. Probably about maybe I'd say 20 grand worth of damage. Oh well. Haters gonna hate. Oh well. I'm happy. I'm not even mad about it. Oh, before we go to the next chapter here, did I introduce you guys to my truck? This is my 2014 Ford Raptor. I had it since they discontinued making those. I paid like about 15 grand over a sticker just to get that truck. But anyways, I lifted the truck. I did the custom front bumper, custom rear bumper on that one. Did some on the flaring. I did the supercharged, got the 2.8 Whirlpool polished, tuned it. I got ADV wheels on it, and I got the 38s. I'm running on 38s currently right now with mud terrain tires. Pretty good, pretty solid. I love this truck. One of my favorites. Super loud too. You guys want to check it out? I found Starbucks in there. Still good. Oh well. I love leftovers. Anyways, Mexico Racing Patrol. It's because what happens in Mexico, it stays in Mexico. No, I'm just kidding. Back in the day, we used to be the guys that actually go somewhere and then race somewhere, and we used to like tag ourselves as like, oh, we're in Mexico. So what happens in Mexico stays in Mexico. So I always like the patrol of it, pretty much. But not anymore. It's just a thing. It looks cool as hell. I'm Mexican now. I'm proud of that too. Cool. Living in Texas, I'm pretty much a Mexican already. All the Mexican food that I ate, all these Mexican women that love me, I'm like, man, I'm Mexican for real. Cheers to that. We'll fix this bad boy. Not to mention, let's see what else they stole from the car. Pretty much didn't steal anything. I was shocked. They didn't even like open what's in the back. So what I got in the back is very, 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 very valuable. You want to see? We're supposed to actually... So I bought toys with my daughters. I was supposed to actually take it to the Texas Children's Hospital. And, you know, I gave it to the children, of course. And all I get is somebody wants to break in onto my car and break my glass and damage my paint and destroy my trim panel and haters. What can you do? But yeah, they didn't take nothing. My glasses were in there. I mean, I don't leave anything valuable besides toys for the kids. I actually carry toys in my car all the time. Why? Because every time I see a kid, I'll just like If I have my daughters, I'll say, hey baby, come on, let's go ahead and you want to give this kid a toy? And she's like, yeah daddy, let's do it. So we do it. Teach him young how to be good to others and giving. Pretty cool. Welcome to my army. I don't know why, but I love toys. Well, not toys. Well, yeah, maybe yes. Scale cars, that's what it is. It's just so cool. Like sometimes I'm in a meeting, you're like, okay. And I'm like, ADHD, is that how you say it? Mm-hmm. So remember when I told you guys the way I learned to work on cars, like by taking toys apart, putting toys back together, and like see how they're made, and you know. And I'm still the guy. I still open things, take things apart, drill here and screw here and there. Pretty cool stuff. I love these cars. Pretty cool. I love toys. When I bought my Squadra Corsa, they sent me a scale car, which is I got this one right here. Very cool. I know I'm supposed to get a bigger one, but unfortunately they gave me a smaller one, which is, you get what you get, don't throw a fit, you know. And then when I bought my SV back in 2000, when did I get my SV? I got my SV back in 2016 or late 15, I think. They gave me that one. And then when I got my Urus, they gave me that one. And then when I got my SVJ, they gave me this one. That one was a gift from a client. And then when I got my Performante, also I got one, but unfortunately I don't know what I put it. I lost it probably. But then somebody gave me this one, and another friend gave me that one also as well, which is pretty cool. There is another cool car that I really love. So this one is from one of my employees. This is my favorite toy. This is the coolest toy. I mean, I love Lambos, but this one right here, it's too sexy. Like too sexy. It's just gorgeous. And I think they were like only 25 made these. And then, welcome to the collection. So it looks similar to this scale car right here, like as far as like the scoops, the fender grills, and all that. I think the other one has like a kind of like a roof scoop, or like not necessarily roof scoop. It's like more of like an upper direct scoop for the air, for the intake. So they kind of look like kind of similar, which is pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna take the hookah downstairs so I can fix it up and then smoke some hookah and take care of some business. So hookah. I've been smoking hookah since I was little. Is it bad? Yeah, it is. Is it worse than cigarettes? I'm not sure. I mean, I'm still alive. I know my grandparents been smoking it for years, and they're still alive. They're about 100 years old, you know. I have a friend of mine who has issues with his lungs, and they thought it was smoking, but actually it wasn't smoking. It was something else. It was like genetic, or he inherited it.
What's that? The ice cream?
It's not the ice cream.
No?
No. That's Banquisha. Yeah, $20. That's actually, what you guys are hearing is not actually ice cream truck. This is actually Snap-on truck, or the other tool guy truck. We call Snap-on Strap-on, because their prices is pretty, they got pretty good tools, but their prices is like, wow. And it's like must have. Yeah. You can see, they use the Strap-on on me too. We hate them, but we love them at the same time. And every time the Snap-on truck comes in, we just jump in the truck and just like to check out their new stuff, new tools, and new stuff. Just like you're a kid in a candy store, or like the ice cream truck. Again, this is not an ice cream truck. That's actually Snap-on truck. Hookah, does it get you lightheaded? To some, to me, no, it really doesn't. It is a habit. It's not a bad habit, or maybe it is. I mean, do I care? Yes, I do care, but again, I like it. I mean, you only live once, just enjoy it. I mean, to carry yourself, like I still go running sometimes. Do I work out? Not really. I mean, maybe I do like push-ups, maybe, and maybe I have a dumbbell here and there. But I mean, I'm staying fit is because I actually work, and most of my work, sometimes during the day or at night, is like physical work, or Too much sex. If you know what I mean. So one time I was at this place where they had like a hookah, it's like a hookah bar, and they didn't have those tongue stings. How you call them? Tongue stings?
Stings, yeah.
Tongue stings? Whatever you call those. Oh, the tweezers. Your eyebrow tweezers. So anyways, and I was like, oh man, I need to move the charcoal. So I literally tried to move it, then it fall on the floor. I'm like, holy sh! It's gonna burn this place. So I literally had to go and grab it and put it on there. Did I burn my fingers? Yes, I did. Learn a lesson. But ever since then, now I can actually like carry them, because my skin is kind of like, I mean, it's normal, but it's not as bad. Yep, keep it there. Man, that's not on truck. We're not buying, sorry. We have a lot of tools already. Miguel, do you hear the snap-on truck? Do you want anything or no? No? Do you hear the snap-on truck?
No.
Do you hear the snap-on truck?
No.
That's the snap-on truck. You want some?
Oh yeah?
It's not ice cream truck, guys. It's snap-on.
It's ice cream.
I'm sorry, I'm just speaking the hookah language. It's bad for you. Do not smoke it. I repeat, do not try this at home. Dame un ice cream en este cono.
Acepté tarjeta, va.
He doesn't take cards. Did I scare you? Here.
Yay!
Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna get me an ice cream too now.
The best boss.
Papi, paga.
Hey guys, look how sexy Roberto eating ice cream. Roberto, eat ice cream.
Ooh.
Come on, butch.
Oh my goodness.
Look,
One more
look like,
action.
that's right.
One more.
No,
No more. Mamá me la.
Mamá me la cumplió.
Cuidado, papi. Okay. Cheers.
1, 2.
Cheers. I love you guys.
Love you. Love
you guys.
too.
You don't love me.
Last time somebody said they love me, you know what happened? Don't love me. Good thing I ceramic coated this car. Good thing I ceramic coated. It's kind of like hydrophobic. Same thing. It's like too slick. Otherwise, it would have been more damage. That's why I highly recommend. You gotta burn your car. First thing you need to do is paint correction. Second thing you need to do is paint protection, which is the PPF. If I have PPF on the whole entire vehicle, not just the front, then none of this will have happened. You know what I mean? And then ceramic coat it on top of the PPF. So there's ceramic coating without the PPF, which is necessary, and there's one on top of the PPF, also is necessary. It might be pricey, but at the end, the result, it's really worth it. Like right now, if a customer walks in the shop and wants me to paint his door and like paint correct everything here, it'll cost him the same amount or more than just coming to me from the first get-go and just like wrap the whole entire vehicle with a PPF, which is a strong film that protects from stones, scratches, or anything. I get cars that actually their doors are kind of like dented in, and as soon as I peel off the actual material, just because it's damaged, next thing you know, the actual ding is popped out, and the next thing you know, there's no paint scratch. Why? Because the paint protection film actually took the impact, not the paint. So he doesn't have to pay me to not even repair the door or paint the door. All I have to do is just reapply the PPF, paint protection film. Ceramic Pro is the main material that we use for ceramic coating. I don't think we've ever used anything else besides Ceramic Pro. And as far as Expel, that's the other company that we use for PPF. Now Ceramic Pro are making their own PPF, which is little by little we start using them. They're pretty good. they're almost about the same. As far as warranty wise, they're also the same pretty much. Yeah. Nowadays headlights, for a lot of car manufacturers, we don't recommend putting PPF on them. Why? Because once you put PPF and peel it off, it actually peels off the coating on the headlight, and that's going to cause ruining your headlamp. You can't even polish it, you can't do anything to it. Why? Because that coating what makes that lens stand out, I guess. I mean, maybe you can polish it and maybe you can put clear coat on it, but it won't be the same as brand new.
Never little kid.
No, yeah, don't do it. Don't.
That's a kid, dude.
Oh my god.
You're gonna buy them for
I
like.
want one.
I'm gonna give this one to your daughter.
Oh, thank
That
you.
from Uncle Butch. Uncle Butch. Yeah, let's put some batteries in the other one so that way we can give them to the kids. That'd be really cool. Let's
Really
make
cool.
some kids' day. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's make somebody's day. Okay, my favorite car. You guys really want to know what my favorite car is? Look how wide the wheel is. Look how wide the wheel is. Compare this wheel, how wide this wheel to that Murcielago. That was actually a bit wider. And it's my design. Moto, which is the new owner. The interior, everything's brand new. Dash, headliner, floor, carpet, you name it. Engine. And it's got the S52 motor in it, supercharged. 6-speed manual. It's a really cool car. My kid's gonna love it. I love it already. That's so cute. We're gonna buy hundreds and hundreds of these. Ow. Ow. Really? Is that what I get? Do you see that? Alright, calm down, guys. Come here, mommy. Oh, Jesus Christ.
He commits suicide.
Oh my goodness. Dude. Hey, my dogs, they shit all over. Look at the hair. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
That's cute.